Sino ang eligible or qualified sa 15 years partial withdrawal ni Pag-ibig Savings and Dividends? Answer, una-una friends, disclaimer muna. Our content is based from research sa website ni Pag-ibig Fund. Alright? So ito na po yung answer. Sila po ang pwede kukuha sa 15-year partial withdrawal ni Pag-ibig Savings and Dividends. Number 1, Pag-ibig member na may 15 years contribution. Number 2, Pag-ibig member na walang housing loan. Number 3, Pag-ibig member na walang gaps o putol sa contributions. And number 4, Pag-ibig member na mag-file and submit the form and other requirements within the 16th year. Yes, friends, yan po yung eligible or qualified to get the 15 years partial withdrawal ni Pag-ibig Fund. Simply said, friends, wala na po yung 10 years partial withdrawal, no? But 15 years partial withdrawal. Yun nga lang may criteria. So, yan po yung number 1 to 4. Paano kung may salary loan si Pag-ibig member? Tapos, pasok siya sa 1 to 4. Pwede pa rin, friends. Kahit may salary loan siya, pero pasok naman siya sa 1 to 4, ang gagawin ni Pag-ibig Fund, yung proceeds niya sa 15 years, i-deduct yung salary loan balance. Yan po ang senaryo. If may salary loan siya. Pero kung may housing loan siya, ay hindi siya pwede sa 15 years partial withdrawal. Only MPL or multipurpose loan or short-term loan. Ayan. If qualified kayo, file na sa Pag-ibig branch na malapit po sa inyo. Processing time po ay within 20 days daw po or 20 working days daw po. May check-in na po si Pag-ibig member. Alright? Please like, share this video, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you, God bless, and 2 thumbs up.